Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Log cabins. One's imagination conjures a peaceful retreat from the hustle of everyday life, a connection to nature, and a sense of nostalgia. It offers a cozy ambience year-round, a chance to unplug, and a solid investment in real estate that can be passed down through the generations. Today we're in Cummins, Michigan, and home of the Woodworkers Shoppe. The Woodworkers Shoppe offers interior and exterior wood paneling and siding, transforming any home into a log home. They are the leaders in log home products. Enjoy the warmth of wood on the exterior with their log cabin siding, and the interior with wood paneling options, or in every room with their log home interior products. Choose from pine or cedar tongue and groove, end-matched, unfinished and pre-finished paneling for walls, ceilings, and floors. Their custom wood siding is available either unfinished or pre-finished in a variety of stain colors. In addition, they also offer hand-hewn logs available for decorative rafters and lodge poles or log porch and rafter systems. The Woodworkers Shoppe offers additional log home products including kitchen cabinetry, interior knotty pine and cedar doors, rustic log railings, and stair systems. They are #1 in high-quality, milled direct-to-you, rustic wood siding, paneling, and other products. They sell their products at a fair price and strive to make sure that every customer is a satisfied customer. The Woodworkers Shoppe, the leaders in quality log siding and log home products. Create your very own peaceful retreat and visit them today at WoodworkersShoppe.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.